And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to use the marquee tools in Photoshop. I've created two layers, one with a rectangle and one with an ellipse on top of a background layer. And you can find the marquee tools over here on the left. Let's use the single column marquee tool. At first you simply have to click and it will create a column selection. The single row marquee tool functions in the same way, but it selects a row. Let's dive into the rectangle marquee tool. And every time you create a new selection and have new selection activated, the old selection will vanish. If you want to add them, you have to select the second menu option. If you want to subtract from your selection, you have to activate the third option. Like so. There's a fourth option which is Intersect, and it creates an intersection of both of your selections. Let me show you how that works one more time. So you create two selections and only the overlap of both will be your new selection when that menu option is activated. Try to select the circle, the ellipse marquee tool. Have new selection selected, then right click and you can transform it easily to create a perfect circle that fits our ellipse 1 layer. Let's say we want to select our circle and the rectangle. We will activate the rectangular marquee tool and have add to selection activated. And now we have both selected, but obviously the rectangle isn't perfectly selected, so we go to select and mask. And we want to get rid of the white selection here. The circle is already perfectly selected. You can get rid of it by increasing the radius or by simply using the refine edge brush tool while having a plus sign activated. You will use select and mask and the refine brush a lot if you select models in your images, and especially when you select hair. When you're done with your selection, press on OK, and now we have a perfect selection of both. Let's just select both again. So we don't necessarily have to have the second menu option activated. We can also hold Shift to create a second selection that will be added to our first. So that's another way to add selections. The feather option in the menu on top, it might be useful in some cases to feather the edges of your selection a little bit, but most of the time you will use select and mask and then use the edge radius and the refine edge brush tool. And these are the basic ways in which to use the marquee tool. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.